Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. So this is our 11th video for Django tutorial series, and in this series we are creating a question answer website. So in this video we will create a base template for our website. We have created our home template and detail template for this question answer website. Now in this video I will create a base template for our whole website. So let's do this. So I will create base.html, and in this base.html I will copy the I will copy this header part. I will copy this header part and paste that. I will copy the header part. So from the nav I will copy the detail page actually, because in home page we want to show the search down of the search after the menu, but in detail page we are showing the search in the menu. So we will copy the detail part. So we will copy the detail header part. So here I will copy the detail header part, so this nav part. So I will cut this and save this in base.html, and here I will remove this. Okay, let's keep it as it is. And now here I will create block content. So in this tag, in this block tag, I will load the content. So let's see how we will load this content. So now we are in detail page, and here I will do extends base.html, and I will start the block content, and this block content will be end after this script. So here end block, because this script is particularly belongs to the detail page, and I will cut the body and HTML tag and paste after this. So I'm loading this content after the header and before the body tag. So now in this we are loading the detail page in our base template. We are extending the base template and creating our detail page. Now we will copy this humanize data and paste it here. And we need static tag here also, because we are using the static. So we will load this static after the extend tag. Okay, let's check the detail page. So this is the same, and it means it is working fine. So we will now we have created the base template. Now what we will do, whenever we need to create the template, any other template, then we will extend this base template and keep the data in between this content block. And let's do one thing more. We need to make this title dynamic. So what we will do here, we will block title, and here I will put detail default detail page. If no title defined, then this the detail page text will be shown. So now in the detail page I will, before the block content page, I will here define the block title, and in between now we have a question, because we are in question detail base. So question dot title, and here we will end block. So let's see this. So here we have question dot title, quest dot title actually, quest dot title. So now you can see in the title, this is showing the current question title, what is Django. So in this video This video, I have created this video just for the base template. In the next video we will perform the user authentication system. So please like and subscribe this video, and please share this video also. Thank you so much.